Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 27, 2023, and today we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Nvidia as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During these 17 days, Nvidia has surpassed our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 10.89% since we first recommended buying it. This translates to an average return of 0.64% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 3.03% change over the next 3 months. The potential return during this period could range from -12.82% to 7.86%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 233.51% change over the next year. The potential return during this period could range from 200.66% to 272.02%. This suggests a price range of $1,450.45 to $1,794.72 after a year. Our latest update on Nvidia brings us the headline, Nvidia stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, Monday, November 27, 2023, the Nvidia stock price rose by 0.98%, moving from $477.76 to $482.42. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.84%, reaching a low of $476.52 and a high of $485.30. Over the span of the last 2 weeks, there has been a slight loss of -0.19%. Notably, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 9 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 39 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $18.58 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for the stock was $505.48, while the lowest price was $138.84. Currently, the stock price stands at 4.56%, or $23.06, below the 52-week high of $505.48, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. Furthermore, on the same day, BMO Capital upgraded Nvidia to an outperform grade, still with a hold action. Wells Fargo also expressed optimism for Nvidia, assigning it an overweight grade alongside a hold action. KeyBank joined in with a positive outlook, giving Nvidia an outperform grade while keeping a hold action. Prior to these ratings, on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Morgan Stanley also rated Nvidia as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong recommendation to buy. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio to be favorable for buying. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a neutral stance. Let's dive into the signals for Nvidia stock. In the short term, the moving average suggests a sell signal for Nvidia. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. As the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock. This gives a positive forecast for Nvidia. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average around $491.24. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $455.03. A breakout above the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, shows a buy signal. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there are some negative signals that could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a minus 4.30% decline so far. It suggests that further decline may occur until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal you may want to pay attention to is the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger is also worth noting, as it gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 18 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average gave a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Nvidia. Nvidia currently has support from accumulated volume at $468.35. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is being tested. However, it's important to note that this stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, making it a higher risk investment. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. In the past day, Nvidia moved $8.78 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 1.84% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.02%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant future growth. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $487.16. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding Nvidia, this resistance level could be a suitable point for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing downward pressure, Nvidia's first support level can be found at $468.35. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a potential rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating. Now let's delve into some recent insider trades. On October 6, 2023, Drell Persis sold 2,300 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 7,951 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 3,068 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Puri Ajay K. sold 8,458 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Crest Colette sold 8,919 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -18.338, which indicates a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 421,264 shares and sold 627,435 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $457.74, which represents a decrease of 5.12%. This particular stock is known for its significant daily movements, which in turn increases the level of risk involved. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 4 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While Nvidia holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Currently, it should be considered a hold candidate or a stock to accumulate while waiting for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the last trading day and determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 28, we anticipate Nvidia to open down -$1.01 and start trading at $481.41. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with a current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We're eager to hear from you. And if you find our content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to support your trading success, and we hope you have a fantastic day. Best regards from all of us at Stock Invest.